everyone, this is PGKNT back for another tech tutor. So in this video, I will be showing how to use this simple antivirus, Dr. Web Lite free antivirus for Android, available in Google Play. Links will be in the description below. So before we start, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be updated with more of my videos in the future. Anyways, let's get started. Next click. Now that we are in the application, we can see here that we are in scanner. So when you open it, it will first show you the database that your device is protected and no threats are detected. Dr. Web Antivirus has an accurate and secure algorithm that simply detects all types of malware. So, to start, you have to press Scanner. And in the scanning options, we can choose between these three for much faster and much more easier type of scanning. Let's choose Express Scan. So as we can see there, we have completed the Express Scan. For full scan, click Full Scan and it will check all your files. Let's do it. Since I have too much files, I discontinued the scan, but I hope you get the point. Now in custom scan, you can select any file that you have, and if you're feeling suspicious about a folder or a file, you can scan it. For example, and let's scan that. As you can see, it has been scanned and no threats detected. That's it for our video, and I hope that you learned something new.